If you've watched the introductory video on the quantum trading VWAP indicator, you'll be very familiar with the terminology of what the VWAP stands for, which is the volume weighted average price indicator. And more importantly, also the fact that the indicator is 5 indicators in one. So you get 5 for the price of one with this indicator. So it's not just the VWAP indicator. You have the VWAP itself, you have the MVWAP, you have the anchored VWAP, you have the time VWAP, and you have the intraday VWAP as well. So it's 5 in one. So if you're familiar with using a VWAP, whether you're trading in stocks, whatever the commodity or currency may be, then you will have the option to choose and select whichever approach you prefer. Now in this video, so say, I'm not going to cover all the principles because they're covered in the introductory video. It's quite a long video, but it does cover all the essentials. I just wanted to start with the first of these. This is the VWAP. This is the base indicator, if you like, the volume weighted average price. And I've applied it to the NASDAQ 100 here on the MT4 platform. And as you can see, the indicator resets itself at the start of every session. That is a function and a feature of the volume weighted average price indicator itself, and you can see that doing it here. It recalculates from that base position, and that's one of the reasons we included the anchored, because the anchored, you get to select where you want to apply it, and also the MVWAP, which does away with that and simply moves smoothly through that area. So they're very different approaches. So this is the VWAP indicator, as I say, resets at the start of every new session. And the center line is the green, which is the VWAP itself. And then you have the outer envelopes. You have the upper envelope, which is the yellow, and you have the lower envelope, which is the purple here. And you can see the importance of the VWAP is how the price action revisits all the time. It comes back to that level. It then goes back to the envelope, breaches the envelope, comes back, returns to the VWAP. And this is classical price action that you will see, because the VWAP itself is really to do with fair value, is the best way of describing it, I think, is the price at which that is considered to be a fair price. And above that it's overpriced, and below that is underpriced, which is why the VWAP is an essential indicator for you, particularly if you're trading stocks or investing in stocks. It is a key indicator, it's one of the key metrics that a lot of the algorithms use, and more importantly, a lot of the institutional investors will also use in investing. The hedge fund companies will use a VWAP to establish whether they are buying at a good price or they're paying over if they were to buy that price. So it's all about fair value. That is what the VWAP indicator is all about. So I just wanted to record this as a very quick intro video to how the indicator looks on the chart. As I say, this is just one time frame, and this is for the VWAP, and you know that for the fact it is resetting at the start of the session. Lots more to come as always. Hope you've enjoyed this video. See you soon, and bye for now.